Hi.
Hi.
What is this?
Walmart. A better Walmart.
Show me. Show me. What is that?
Walmart.
Is this a receipt from Walmart? Is it?
Walmart.
Where does it say Walmart on there? Can you show me where it says Walmart? Where? Which part?
Walmart.
At the top?
Walmart.
Right up there? Yeah? Dulcie's trying to get the camera. Do you like to go to Walmart? You do? You like Walmart? Dulcie, you want me to film you? You're just grabbing the camera, aren't you? Whoop! Oh my goodness. Okay, what are you doing now, Eva?
No protest.
What about this? Is this Walmart?
Yeah.
Is this receipt Walmart? What's this one? Uh-oh, did she take it? What about this one? Is this Walmart?
Walmart.
Oh, that one's Walmart. Okay.
Where Mama go?
Oh, Dulcie, give it back.
Where Mama go, Mama? Where Mama go, Mama?
Okay, Dulcie, let's go now. Alright. No, get it out. What are you doing?
Walmart.
Yep, Walmart. Okay, say bye-bye.